Here are the critical steps for installing a ProVia Aspect & Endure 2-Lite factory assembled vinyl patio unit. For complete installation and safety instructions, click the link in the video description. Let's get started. Unpack and inspect all components. When cutting the box, note the yellow "Do Not Cut" label. This is to avoid cutting the frame's extruded bulb seal. Locate the installation pack and the screw covers and set aside. Fully prep the opening for a level and flat sill, and check for square. Install flashing over the sill, then apply 2 heavy beads of caulking on the inboard side for the full length of the opening. Next, set the unit in the opening. Center the unit, leaving enough room for shims and insulation on each side. Secure the unit in place. On the active sash side, pre-drill and install a 3-inch screw approximately 4 to 6 inches down from the top corner in the exterior jam pocket. Repeat on the fixed sash side, locating the screw in the interior jam pocket. Be careful not to over-tighten, causing the frame to pull. Now, check the unit for square by measuring diagonally from corner to corner. Use the top screws to adjust as needed. Check the vertical side jams for plane to make sure each jam is equal and parallel to the other. On the active sash side, pre-drill and install a 3-inch screw approximately 6 inches up from the bottom corner in the exterior jam pocket. Then repeat on the fixed sash side, locating the screw in the interior jam pocket. Then install 2 more screws evenly spaced between the top and bottom screws. In the header, between the tracks, pre-drill a minimum of 4 3/8-inch holes through the first wall of vinyl only. Keep each end screw approximately 4 to 6 inches in from the corner. Space equally with a maximum of 24 inches in between. Note, the header requires 3/8 hole plugs at the end of this installation. Check to make sure the header and sill are parallel by taking 3 height measurements, each jam side and 1 in the center. All 3 measurements must be equal. If needed, adjust the header screws until measurements are equal. Shim all your screw locations on the fixed sash side and header. Make sure to use back-to-back shims. Wedge shims will roll the frame. Close the sash, leaving a 1/4-inch reveal between the sash and frame to check alignment. Use the bottom sash adjustment screws to adjust the active sash until the reveal is equal at the very top and bottom. Next, check to make sure the frame is in plane with the sash. Now we are ready to secure the active jam side. It's critical to utilize both shims and screws together to establish correct frame alignment. Pre-drill and install 2 screws evenly spaced between the top and bottom screws. Shims should be placed at each screw location. Add additional shims as needed for frame alignment. Check your sash operation. The sash must slide in and out of the jam pocket smoothly. If needed, continue to adjust shims, screws, and the sash adjustment rollers. Note, the keeper may need adjusted up or down as well. Next, close the sash. Lock and unlock the handle set to check the latch function and alignment. Adjust the top and bottom latch bolts as needed. After the final adjustments are complete, install shims above the top and bottom keeper screw holes. With the shims snug, secure the keeper with the 3-inch screws provided. Install the interior and exterior jam covers. Start at the top by first inserting the inside edge. Use your thumb to guide the edge into the frame pocket. Apply pressure to the opposite side of the cover to snap it in place. Finally, check the screen for square. To adjust the height and square of the screen, locate the 3 adjustment screws inside the inner screen track. First, lower the center screw. Adjust the left and right screws until the screen is parallel to the sash and frame. Once aligned, adjust the center screw to match. Note each complete turn of the adjustment screws will raise or lower the track by 1/32 of an inch. Also check the screen's latch operation. To adjust, use a Phillips screwdriver to loosen the keeper screws, move the keeper up or down as needed. For all other accessories and hardware, refer to the product instruction for details. And this has been a quick overview on how to install a ProVia 2-Lite factory assembled vinyl patio unit. For complete instructions or for more information, click the link in the video description or call customer support with additional questions.